Thirikari na ikundi cia kugitira na gutetera ihoto cia ciana ni cakaite ni namba ya ciana iria ciuraga oro mwaka guku bururi-ini na muthia kwaga kaimana. Kuringana na Ministry ya Labour, ciana 29 ni ciuraga oro muthenya guku bururi-ini iria ni ciana 758 o mwaka, kuria no gacunjĩ kanini ga ciana ici cionekaga na gucoka mĩciĩ-inĩ yao.
The Child Protection Information System within the Directorate of Children's Services recorded a total of 7,058 children that went missing from the beginning of this financial year to date.
Riboti ĩno ĩrekereirio hĩndĩ ya mũthĩ wa kĩmabũrũri wa kũririkana ciana iria ciũrĩte, iria nyingĩ ciacio ciũraga na njĩra ya kũiywo, kũnyitwo mĩgwate, kwendio ta ngombo na ingĩ kũragwo.
Out of these, a total of 1,383 children were found and reunited with their families.
Itũmi ingĩ cicũngĩrĩirie ciana kũra nĩ mĩrerere mĩũru ya ciari.
Currently we are having a case from Oyugis, whereby we have been tracing, and we got even the reality story, and we have the children. They are twins, but the family doesn't want them, and because the parents are not there, they disappeared.
A child is taken, sold into labor, and becomes exploited. For those who kidnap children, don't they consider how painful it is for a parent to lose a child? Can those kidnappers empathize with the pain others feel?
Irene Kasandi kuma muciĩ wa ciana mwena wa Kĩbĩra agĩtarĩria namba ĩrĩa mamũkagĩra oro mwaka.
For us, we get many children, especially the locality that we are in. It is like every day we have to get a child who is a lost case. And so when we look at our record, we get even, it is like in a year we get maybe even 200 children.
Kasandi nĩonanĩtie kwaga kũiganĩra nĩ ũrĩa bũrũri ũtiganĩirie ciana na kũmatiga moko-inĩ ma ekinaĩ. Ningĩ agĩtarĩria ona bamĩrĩ cikoretwo cikĩnyita itemi kwagarara ihoto cia ciana.
In some cases, parents themselves are the cause of the loss of children. This happens when parents mistreat their children by beating them and not providing food. As a result, these children seek refuge elsewhere.
You had a privilege of getting a child, please just take care of that child and know that I'm the one who is responsible on this child, because they can't go to work and sustain themselves.
Hĩndĩ ya mambura maya thirikari nĩ ĩrugũririe mũtaratara ũrĩa ũrĩbuatagwo gũtigĩrĩra ciana ciothe ciũrĩte nĩ cionekana.
Ignorance among children and bad company also may lead them to disobey their parents and run away from home. To my fellow children, let us be responsible. After being granted our rights in the Children's Act 2022, we also have responsibilities. We should take care of ourselves and always do what will benefit us and not us or others.
You call 116, unaweza kupatiwa msaada wa anything. Kama unasikia hauko comfortable nyumbani, kwa shule, kama you're not sure what to do with yourself, unapiga nini? 116.
Kameme TV ngĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ, njĩta gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.